This presentation is on drones, what they are, why people use them, who's using them, as well as how they could help sustainability development goals. So first off, what are drones? Drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, that are remotely operated by a pilot. This could be through a cell phone or a regular remote control or a computer. Drones come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, but most of the consumer available ones are smaller and feature four propellers that allow the drone to take flight and keep balance. A lot of drones also feature another tool like a camera or an apparatus to grab things, or even in the case of farming, sprayers for pesticides. So who uses drones? Consumers and commercial entities both are have been using drones and developing new tools and technologies for them. The industries that see the most use of drones are agriculture and emergency services like police and rescue forces, and media and entertainment as well, with uses like photography and videography. So when are drones used? They were originally created for use as weapons, but in recent years they've started having a lot of different uses that actually benefit people. In the history, the first UAV or drone was a balloon bomb created by the Austrian military. Cameras and radio control of drones came in the late, that is definitely supposed to say 1990s, but the first consumer drone controlled by a smartphone didn't come around until 2010. And from this point, drone technology and capabilities have been growing rapidly into what we see today. So where are drones often used? Aside from military uses, which is 10 countries around the world use drones in their military, they see heavy use in most developed countries. The FAA um, has seen 5,000 over 5,000 commercial drones registered and over 1.2 million recreational drones registered. And in China, this number is at about 517,000 registered drones that exceed 250 grams. So why use drones? They provide a lot of benefits to farmers, police officers, and other rescue units, and scientific researchers as well. They're able to make a lot of different tasks more efficient, and they also unlock new possibilities like next level photography, thermal imaging from long ranges, which is often used in rescue, and delivery to areas that are inaccessible to traditional delivery vehicles. Like, and some pros and cons: cost saving, of course, it makes things more efficient, easily deployable, security, um, flexible for quick inspections. It's the type of use that's seen in things like construction. And some cons: there's privacy concerns, safety concerns. Wild animals may be may collide with this, or it could fall on them if the battery dies. Spying's another concern that goes with privacy. Um, Easily hacked and security, kind of contradictory, but since they are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled devices, they can be compromised. And with cameras, that's no good. So how can drones be used to solve sustainability development goals in China? They can increase efficiency of many tasks and unlock new possibilities for achieving higher sustainability. We can see this in hunger, because drones have been used to dispense ladybugs onto pecan trees to combat other insects that destroy these crops. And these uses can be, this could be transferred over to other crops, which provides for more food on the earth, which contributes to less hunger. Life on Earth and life in sea. Drones are being used to monitor wildlife in the oceans and in the forests and plains across the world. Um, this way, endangered and threatened species can be more closely monitored um, and actually seen. Because, right, the main method of monitoring these animals is a tag or a microchip. And then infrastructure, that out of the industry, innovation and infrastructure delivery to locations that can't be reached is uh, mostly with innovation and infrastructure, but construction sites can also be supervised for quicker site surveys, as mentioned earlier.